skill for kids to operate independently in the kitchen is learn how to measure. So today we have the measuring cup and the measuring spoon. For older kids, I will teach them how to read the different cups. And for younger kids, like Rayan's age today, I will tell them to read it using some metaphor. So now Rayan first is you line them up by size. So this is based on size. And I give it a name. So daddy,
daddy, mom,
kid,
and baby.
Yeah. And what about this one?
Daddy,
Yeah.
mommy,
Kid, and baby. A daddy cup is actually a 1 cup. A mommy cup is a half cup. 1/3 cup is the kid cup. And the 1/4 cup is the baby cup. I'm going to give Rayan a quiz. Rayan, give us the mom cup. Which one's the mom cup? Okay. Which one's the baby spoon? Okay. Which one is the mommy spoon?
Correct.
Okay. So when we scoop, there are a few catchphrases I want to teach you guys. We want to sweep it flat. You scoop a cup of flour and then you use your finger to sweep it flat. A more cleaner way is you can use the back of a knife and sweep it flat. Okay? What you're looking for is no hole, no heels. Okay? What is this?
There is a heel.
Right, so what we do is we...
I'll do it.
Okay, so sweep it flat. And also, what is this?
Hold.
Yeah, so what do?
Add more.
Yeah. The other thing I teach is don't sandpack. Don't sandpack your cup. So don't keep pressing it down because in that way, the measuring will go off. So what we do is we just kind of like pouring water into the bathtub. Then we sweep it flat. Okay, no hole, no heels. So I have a recipe that's very popular in my cooking class is a do-it-yourself hot cocoa. Today we're going to do a short cheat. We have this Lindt hot cocoa powder, which is very nice. And Rihanna's going to show us how to mix them together. Daddy cup, please. So we have to measure it. All right, and then you show us your pouring skill up high in the center. Quick. Quick. Yeah. Go heat up for 1 minute. What do you do? Sweep it flat, right? Make sure. Use the flat. Okay, 2. 1 mommy spoon of marshmallow. Okay, fine, you can do more. 1 daddy spoon of marshmallow.
Yes.
How is it?
Hot.
Cocoa.